for something Mexican and cheesy today. Let's make a quesadilla. In Spanish, quesa means cheese and quesadilla is tortilla stuffed with cheese. For making a quesadilla, we will need, of course, the main ingredient tortilla. For the stuffing, we will need grated cheese, chopped mushroom, chopped garlic, black pepper, some butter, salt, mixed peppers, cheese spread and salsa for serving. First, we will saute our vegetables in butter. We'll add garlic, and in go the mushrooms. It smells heavenly. Butter, garlic and mushrooms make a wonderful combination. The mushrooms are done. Now we'll add the peppers. Half teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. This is done. Now I will keep this aside to cool. My vegetables are done. I am going to make quesadilla. We'll add butter in a pan. We'll add tortilla. Add a thick layer of cheese spread to it. Now on this go our vegetables. On top of this goes the cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. Now it's time to fold it. It's nicely cooking. Now it's time to flip it. Smells like cheese, cheese and cheese. My quesadilla is ready. Let's cut it. Time to plate it. Extremely delicious. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.